Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including a link to the Fitbod app, are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the app. Fitbod, a personalized fitness app review. Fitbod is a personalized workout app designed for anyone striving to enhance their fitness level. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or are a seasoned gym enthusiast, Fitbod offers something valuable. The key feature that sets Fitbod apart is its AI-powered customization. The app crafts workout plans tailored specifically to your fitness goals, the equipment you have available, and your past performance. It even adapts dynamically as you progress, guaranteeing your routines stay challenging and yield effective results. For instance, Fitbod diligently tracks your workout history and adjusts exercise intensity and volume to prevent overtraining while maximizing your gains. The app boasts a wide variety of exercise types, including strength training, bodyweight workouts, and cardio, making it a versatile tool for both home workouts and gym sessions. A comprehensive library of exercises with accompanying video demonstrations ensures you maintain proper form, which is especially beneficial for users unfamiliar with specific movements. Another excellent aspect of Fitbod is its emphasis on muscle recovery. The app clearly indicates which muscles are fresh and which are fatigued, empowering you to plan balanced workouts and minimize the risk of injury. So, who is Fitbod ideal for? It's perfect for individuals who desire structure and guidance in their fitness routines without the expense of a personal trainer. It's also a great option for those who need motivation and variety to maintain consistency. However, advanced athletes who prefer complete control over their training plans might find the app's structure slightly limiting. In terms of usability, the app is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring a clean interface and seamless workout tracking. Logging workouts is quick and easy, and the ability to sync with fitness trackers or wearables adds extra convenience. Fitbod does require a subscription, but the price is reasonable considering the comprehensive customization and expert guidance it provides. There's also a free trial available, allowing you to test the app before committing to a subscription. The bottom line? Fitbod is a powerful tool for anyone aiming to establish a consistent and effective workout habit. Its adaptability, detailed exercise guidance, and focus on recovery distinguish it from other fitness apps on the market. If personalized fitness is your goal, Fitbod is definitely worth exploring. Check the links in the description to get started.